All right, good morning, sixth grade social studies. Today is Wednesday, October 21st. Today we're going to be discussing Hinduism, the first religion of our world religions unit that we will be studying. Today's question is, what did Hindus believe? Hinduism is a major world religion even today, and it started in the ancient Indus Valley. Today it is the main religion of India and is practiced by people with Indian backgrounds all over the world. Pause the video now to answer question number 1. In what country did Hinduism begin and is still practiced today? Hinduism is a very old religion, so old that it began before recorded history. No single person started it. It developed slowly over a long period of time. In the 2nd century BCE, people called Aryans migrated into northern India. Some historians credit the Aryans with bringing parts of what later became Hinduism to India. The Aryans were warriors from Eastern Europe. No one knows exactly why they left Europe. Many settled near the Indus River. Many parts of Aryan religious beliefs are found in the Hinduism practiced today in India. Archaeologists think that the beliefs of the Aryans and the people of the Indus Valley combined over time to form Hinduism. So this paragraph is mainly about how the Aryans migrated, which means moved into northern India. When they moved there, they brought part of their culture with them, and they mixed that culture with the culture of the people that were already living there. So, number 2 asks you to explain why this is an example of cultural diffusion. I want you to remember that the term cultural diffusion means the spread of culture from one place to another. Please tell me why this paragraph is an example of cultural diffusion. Pause the video now. Early Hindu religion is called Vedism, named after the Vedas. The Vedas are a collection of sacred texts, including verses, hymns, prayers, and teachings, written in Sanskrit. According to Hindu beliefs, Sanskrit is the language spoken by the gods. The Vedas were taught orally for hundreds of years before India had a written form of Sanskrit. Hindus still read the 4 Vedas texts today. These are the holy books for Hindus. Answer question number 3. How were the teachings of the Vedas passed down to new generations? Give a quote from the text to support your answer. And hint, it's not by writing, but it was done differently. It was passed from generation to generation, not by writing at first, but differently. Go ahead and pause the video now to answer these questions. Modern-day Hinduism is very complex. Many beliefs, many forms of worship, and thousands of deities exist side by side. With thousands of gods, there is literally a god for everything in the universe. Therefore, Hinduism is called a pantheistic religion. Pantheism means that you believe everything is a god or is part of God. Another way of thinking about it is that God is everywhere. There are so many gods in this religion that you can't look anywhere without seeing a god. So how is pantheism different from polytheism? Remember, polytheism means that there are many gods. Pause the video now to answer this question.